Hey, picture this. It's Sunday night. You've got the cleanest, most color-coded planner ever made. You're ready to become a productivity ninja, wake up at 5 a.m., and finally crush every goal on your list. You've even planned your meals, workouts, and study sessions. You imagine yourself waking up, feeling like a superhero, crossing off every item, and going to bed at night feeling like life is finally under control. But then Monday hits. Your eyes are glued shut, your head feels like a brick, and your notes are swimming in front of you like a Netflix series on fast forward. Suddenly, that dream life feels like a chore you're too tired to perform. You start scrolling through social media, binge-watching content for what feels like 5 minutes but turns into an hour, and by 10 a.m., you've already failed your plan. You feel guilty, frustrated, and maybe even a little hopeless. Don't worry, the reason you can't stick to your habits isn't because you're lazy or lack willpower. It's because your brain is literally trying to conserve energy. Think about it. Your brain has been keeping humans alive for thousands of years by saving energy wherever possible. When it senses monotony, boredom, or the unfamiliar, it releases melatonin and slows you down. It's like your brain is whispering, "Why bother? Rest is safer." And here's the kicker, it doesn't care about your fancy planner or your 5 a.m. wake-up goal. Your brain only cares about survival, comfort, and repetition. In this video, we're going to hack your dopamine system like a calm, cozy neuroscientist villain. We're moving past the manifesting hacks, the generic, wake up at 5 a.m. and drink water, type advice, and diving deep into why your energy settings are broken and how to override them for hours. By the end of this, you won't just have a plan, you'll have the manual for your own brain, the kind that actually works with your biology, not against it. Let's start by confronting the myth of trying harder. Life is laughably simple, but we insist on making it complicated because simple solutions don't make us feel special. We think we need a 47-step morning routine, a perfectly organized planner, or 12 self-help books under our pillow. But the truth is, the harder you try to force an outcome, the more you fail. This is called the backwards law. The more desperately you chase something, the more it eludes you. It's like trying to float in a pool by paddling harder, you sink faster. When you death grip your plans, you trigger stress hormones that repel peace. Cortisol spikes, your focus fades, and suddenly, every small failure feels monumental. Your brain isn't a truth-seeking machine. It's a pattern-matching machine with delusions of objectivity. It runs on biases like loss aversion, which makes you fear losing the comfort of your current routine more than enjoying the potential benefits of a better life. To fix this, you need effort without attachment. Stop trying to be life's CEO and start being a surfer riding the waves. Master the ride, not the ocean. If you feel like a zombie with Wi-Fi, it's usually because your system inputs are misconfigured. Let's talk about the 3 biggest energy thieves that are sabotaging your plans without you even realizing it. First, dopamine chaos. Scrolling on social media the moment you wake up floods your brain with unpredictable hits of dopamine, making everything else feel boring in comparison. That 30-second TikTok feels like a fireworks show, while doing your tasks feels like watching paint dry. Second, bad light exposure. If your morning is spent in a dimly lit room staring at screens, your brain doesn't know if it's morning, evening, or midnight. Sunlight tells your brain, it's go time, boosting your cortisol rhythm and giving you natural energy. Third, sugar and crash meals. You eat simple carbs for a quick energy spike, only to crash like a roller coaster, leaving you exhausted and unmotivated. The fix is a morning activation sequence. Hydrate immediately. Your brain is 75% water, and even mild dehydration can make you feel drowsy and foggy. Get light in your eyes within the first 10 to 20 minutes to signal your body that it's awake. Splash cold water on your face to trigger your sympathetic nervous system, your body's natural wake-up signal. Finally, eat protein first, eggs, yogurt, or a protein shake. Protein equals stable energy, sugar equals chaos. You don't have bad habits, you have perfectly functioning loops with terrible rewards. Every habit follows a pattern. Cue, routine, reward. You can't delete these neural highways, but you can upgrade the routine. For example, if stress, the cue, makes you reach for junk food, old routine, do 10 push-ups, new routine, instead. You'll get the same stress relief, but without sabotaging your health or goals. Here's the truth. Every time you show up, even for a small step, You're building something bigger than you can see. It might not feel like much in the moment, but that's exactly how real change works: quiet, consistent, and powerful. You don't need a perfect plan or the perfect moment. You just need to start and then keep showing up. Because every small win you stack today becomes the confidence you feel tomorrow. So don't wait to feel ready, move, and let the feeling catch up with you. Your future self is already proud of you.